I love, obviously, kids, teachers, local businesses, and growing organically. And so this is a way for us to put that whole program together. I think it's really important. I know it's really important that the local independent retailer is connected to the community. They do a lot of volunteering. For Coast of Maine to come in and facilitate that, add to it, and bring the community together, that's a big thing for me. So tell me about how gardening helps you interact with those kids.
Right. So so remind me of that question, because the first thing I want to say, here's just a positive, a big positive that comes from you connecting educators with local businesses. Yeah. So Blue Seal in Windham, was a business that I would occasionally stop by, and get items for, our own personal home products and also for the school garden. But a couple years ago, when I got my first donation from Coast of Maine and I went to Blue Seal to pick up the bags, I really learned, what wonderful people they are at Blue Seal. And since then, we have deepened our relationship, and I am purchasing as much as I possibly can because of that. So you connected me to a business that helps me whenever I have questions. I, in turn, am using the money that I raise for the garden at their business and supporting, just that local gardening company. So that was a byproduct of you connecting us together. So thank you so much for that. And even when I was, hatching some chicks, they were the people that I would call if I had questions. So it's not just about picking up the soil or picking up the straw. It's also about the support that they're willing to give to just, community members, whether it's a school garden or you're a regular community member.